Hey everyone, and welcome to Natural Living Guide. Today we're talking about something that affects millions of people, joint pain. Whether it's from aging, an old injury acting up, or a chronic condition, that aching, throbbing, or stiffness in our joints can really put a damper on our day. Now, I'm not a doctor, but I've definitely had my fair share of experience with joint pain. Over the years, I've tried a ton of different remedies, and today I want to share 5 of my absolute favorites with you. These are all natural home remedies that are easy to do and can make a world of difference. If you're tired of letting joint pain hold you back, then keep watching. Let's kick things off with a classic turmeric and ginger tea. Both turmeric and ginger have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can be super helpful for calming down those angry joints. To make this tea, simply add a teaspoon of grated turmeric root and a teaspoon of grated ginger root to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes, then strain it and enjoy. You can add a little honey or lemon for taste if you like. I like to sip on this tea in the evenings, especially after a long day. It's so comforting and really helps to ease any aches and pains. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants, so it's good for you in so many ways. If you find yourself reaching for over-the-counter pain relievers too often, give this tea a try. It might just become your new go-to for natural pain relief. And hey, if you're not a tea person, don't worry. You can also incorporate turmeric and ginger into your cooking. They add a ton of flavor to curries, stir-fries, and soups. Next up, we have another one of my favorites, Epsom salt baths. If you're dealing with sore muscles and stiff joints, this is like heaven in a tub. Epsom salt is a natural source of magnesium, which is a mineral that plays a key role in muscle and nerve function. When you soak in an Epsom salt bath, the magnesium is absorbed through your skin, which can help to reduce inflammation, relax muscles, and ease pain. It's like giving your body a big hug. To make an Epsom salt bath, simply add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm bath and stir until it dissolves. Soak in the bath for at least 20 minutes to experience the full benefits. I like to light some candles, put on some relaxing music, and just let all my stress melt away. It's such a great way to unwind after a long day, and it works wonders for my joints. Now, let's talk about the power of massage. A gentle massage with warm olive oil can do wonders for stiff and painful joints. Olive oil contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. To give yourself an olive oil massage, simply warm up a small amount of olive oil in your hands and gently rub it into the affected area. Use circular motions and apply gentle pressure. You can do this massage daily, or even multiple times a day if needed. It's a great way to increase blood flow to the area, reduce stiffness, and ease pain. Plus, it feels amazing. I like to ask my partner to give me a massage sometimes, and it makes a world of difference. It's a great way to connect and show each other some love too. Sometimes all you need is a little cold therapy to calm down those inflamed joints. Cold compresses are incredibly effective at reducing swelling and numbing pain. They work by constricting blood vessels, which helps to reduce inflammation. You can use a bag of frozen peas, a cold compress you buy at the drugstore, or even just a bag of ice wrapped in a towel. Apply the cold compress to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes at a time, several times a day. Just be sure to wrap the ice pack in a towel first to protect your skin from getting too cold. And if you have any circulation problems, talk to your doctor before using cold therapy. Last but not least, we have apple cider vinegar, which is a bit of a multitasker when it comes to health benefits. Many people find that drinking apple cider vinegar diluted in water helps to reduce joint pain. It's believed that the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps to break down the buildup of uric acid in the joints, which can contribute to inflammation and pain. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to a glass of water. You can add a little honey or lemon to improve the taste if you like. I like to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. It helps to get my digestion going and makes me feel energized and ready to take on the day. So there you have it. 5 simple, natural home remedies that can help you find relief from joint pain. Give them a try and see what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Don't expect overnight miracles. It might take a few days or even a few weeks of incorporating these remedies into your routine to start noticing a difference. And of course, if you have any concerns about your joint pain, or if it's severe or persistent, please don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional. These home remedies are not intended to replace professional medical advice. Now get out there and start feeling better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Natural Living Guide for more tips on natural remedies and healthy living. See you in the next video. This video is intended for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Please consult a healthcare professional before trying any of the remedies discussed, particularly if you have underlying health conditions or are experiencing severe symptoms. These remedies are not a substitute for professional medical care.